presenting on my class, which is architecture. In the class, it's called Form Follows Function. So basically what that means is the form helps the function. So let's take a fork, for example. The form of the fork allows you to eat. So that's form follows function. So I want to get into some stuff that I learned. First, we're doing Paul R. Williams. Paul R. Williams was a black architect. He was born February 18th, 1894 and died January 23rd, 1980. He was born in Los Angeles. He was born to Lila Wright Williams and Chester Stanley Williams, who had recently moved from Memphis with their younger son, Chester Jr. When he was just 2, his father died. When he was 4, his mom died. So he was basically an orphan. He and his brother were placed into foster homes. In the 20th century, in California, there is a population of 102,000 with only 3,100 blacks. Because of this, Paul was the only black boy at his school. His teacher tried to discourage him from becoming an architect because he would have trouble attracting people in a town with a mostly white population. Though Paul did not give up, he pursued architectural education and professional experience with Los Angeles leading design fields while developing social and business networks. He designed many buildings, like Veeam Building, La Concha, the first African Methodist Church, and many more. He is awarded the AIA's 2017 Gold Medal, the highest annual honor recognizing individuals whose work has had a lasting influence on the theory and practice of architecture. Next, we have a picture of this. If you're wondering what it is, it's a sundial. We had an assignment, or more of a project, So the project was, we had to make a sundial, and it was due on December 1st. So here's my sundial. I use the base, or the dial plate, as the dial plate. I use a straw as the gnomon, and I use these buttons for the hours. And I'll show you a video of it working in a minute. Next is Ikemeji. So Meji, or Odu, is basically these sacred symbols, which of course are from Africa, and they all have different meanings to them. Now the one I chose, Ikemeji, represents sickness and change. So as you can see, this guy is sick laying in bed, and there's an equal sign on the blanket, and it says Ikemeji. So sickness equals Ikemeji. Now, here's the second to last. So, we had an assignment to get an 8.5 inch by 11 grid notebook. 1 square in the grid equals 12 inches. The assignment was to draw a 6 feet by 6 feet square, a triangle whose base is at 6 feet and height is at 6 feet, a circle whose diameter is 7 feet, and a rectangle whose length is 8 feet and width is 3 feet. So as you can see, I've done that, but the circle, it was half and half. So one was 6 and one was 7. So I kind of messed up on that, but hey, I still did good. Now, the last thing we have for today is a special video. And that video that we're about to watch right now contains my sundial working. So, let's go and see.
Hello, my name is Asaalah, and today I'm going to be making a video about my sundial. So every hour I have to come back and see if my sundial is on the right time. It's 9 o'clock right now, and as you can see, the shadow's on the 9, so it's working okay right now. but we'll come back next hour. Hello, Asaalah's back again, and today, right now, it is 10 o'clock. The last one was 9 o'clock, and now it's 10 o'clock. We'll come back at 11. Hello, I'm back, and now we're at 11 o'clock. As you see, it's at 11. We'll come back when it's 12. Yay, we are now at 12 o'clock noon. We'll come back at 1. Okay, we are at 1 o'clock now. Let's come back for 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock right now. We'll come back at 3 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock right now. We'll come back at 3 o'clock.
And that was it for basically my whole presentation. Thank you for watching, and thank you for seeing what I learned. Bye.